Hi, I'm Aaron, Shell's lubricant technical manager for the UK. And a really common question that I hear all the time is what's the real difference between approved and fit for purpose? But I'll start by saying you wouldn't tell your customers that you use parts that have never been tested in their vehicles. So why would you do the same for oil? So very simply, approved means that the OEMs like BMW and Toyota and Peugeot have spent time testing that oil in their engines. This is a process that can be very expensive, can take months or years, but it proves that the oil gives that engine the protection it needs to survive the rigors of daily life. Fit for purpose, however, means that this testing hasn't been done. So sites who use fit for purpose oils are acknowledging to their customers that they use something that isn't approved in those vehicles. You'll always see on Shell bottles the approved logos, just like this one, and we can always provide letters which are signed by the OEM proving that that approval has been done. We'd always recommend that you go and get those letters from any supplier to verify the product quality that's going into your engine.